Kremenchug wheel plant is located in the central region of Ukraine in the town Kremenchug. It is a specialized enterprise in the field of production of cold-pressed steel wheels for passenger cars, trucks, trailers, buses, tractors, combines and agricultural machines. Founded in 1961, for the years of its work, the enterprise gained enormous technological experience and created the developed industrial infrastructure. In 1994, it was formed into a joint stock company. In 2002, the enterprise entered in the Association of European Wheel Manufacturers and became a full member of European Tire and Rim Technical Organization. Kremenchug wheel plant produces more than 500 modifications of wheels, rims and wheel pads. Area of production facilities is 111,000 square meters. Product capacity of the factory is 6.0 million of wheels and rims per year, including 3.4 million of wheels for the passenger cars. At the enterprise, it is used 1,245 units of the equipment, more than 40% of them are specialized equipment. Basic technological equipment consists of 51 technological lines, including 20 lines for manufacturing the profile wheel rims, 11 wheels disc stamping lines, including 2 automated lines, 12 automated and mechanized lines, and the section of assembly and welding of wheels, 5 prime coating and painting lines, painting department of heavy wheels, 2 packaging lines. At the enterprise, a sphere of life conditions is highly developed. There are modern sanitary, many buffets, dining rooms. Development of wheel design begins in the special design department of the plant. Workplaces are equipped with modern computers and software. This allows to carry out development and designing of new types of wheels. Department of Automated Control Production Systems makes the design of solid model of puncheons, matrices, rollers and develops programs for machine tools with numerical control, providing maximal accuracy of tooling, forming rollers, measuring instruments. The plant has a wheel test laboratory which was accredited by the National Accreditation Agency of Ukraine, Federal Agency on Technical Regulation and Metrology of Russian Federation, on accordance with the international standard ISO 17025. On the strength of test laboratory, they carry out strength and specification tests of wheels, fatigue bending test the rotation, and tests with the dynamic radial load, hydrostatic tests as well. For manufacturing of wheels, the steel grades E235, E250, E275 and E355 are used. A laboratory carries out the analytical and spectral analysis of steel and controls its physical-mechanical parameters, chemical composition, structural properties. The task of the laboratory is to control the quality of auxiliary materials. One of the guidelines of Kremenchug wheel plant is the production of wheels for passenger cars. The process of wheel manufacturing for passenger cars includes manufacturing of rim and disc and assembly and welding of wheel. On the assembly and welding line, the disc is pressed onto a rim, run-out is controlled on a measuring equipment, welding in shielding gases, balancing, determination and marking of heavy plates. The production of new wheels is developed for cars Niva Chevrolet, Chevrolet Aveo, Hyundai Accent, for model row of cars Opel and Deo, Renault Logan, Ford Focus and Ford C-Max. Technological process of manufacturing of wheels with 15-degree drop center rims includes marking and coiling of sides, straightening of the ends for welding, welding of joints by the method of fusion welding, cutting of burr, rounding of the welded area, cooling, upsetting, roll forming, expansion, reducing, cutting of the safety shoulder, cleaning and quality control. Manufacturing of discs by cold rolling method from steel flat bars with diameter from 400 to 730 mm and thickness up to 15 mm. Insertion in disc into rims, welding in shielding gases, quality control, painting, packing. These are wheel types 6.00 by 17.5 for buses Bogdan, Etalon, 6.75 by 17.5 for trucks and buses Mas, 6.75 by 19.5 for buses Mas, Paz, 7.5 by 19.5 for trucks with low carrying capacity, 8.25 by 22.5 for buses LAS, Lias, Mas, Volchanin, Volvo, Scania, trolley buses Belcommon-Mash, UMZ, semi-trailers autocraftfuls, 9.00 by 22.5 for trucks Mas, MAN, Daimler-Benz, Volvo, Magirus, semi-trailers, 11.75 by 22.5 for trailers and semi-trailers, 16.00 th2 by 22.5 and 20.00 by 22.5 for combined SCADA-S, Massey-Ferguson, Polessi tractor trailers. Technical capabilities of the enterprise allow to produce wheels of the diameter from 12 to 54 inches and width from 4 to 36 inches to profile the rims of tractors, combined harvesters and agricultural machines from rolled metal to 8.5 mm thick. A considerable part of product range produced by the factory are the wheels and rims for agricultural technique. These are the wheels with stable and variable offset for tractors, trailers and agricultural machines, wheels for combined harvesters, wide base wheels for agricultural machines, twin wheels for tractors. Manufacturing of heavy wheels for tractors, combined harvesters and agricultural machines is a pride of the factory. The manufacturing process of wheel rims for agricultural machines includes cutting of steel into the blanks, pickling in the solution of sulfuric acid, coaling of sides with simultaneous marking, straightening of the ends for welding, butt welding and burring, rounding of the welded area, upsetting, profiling of rims in 3 stages, expansion, reducing, forming of area, piercing of weld holes, nulling of bed seats and cutting of the safety shoulder, marking. Additionally, it is calibrated on the inner diameter that provides high precision of rims. The rim passes quality control. On disc lines for tractor wheels, the discs are manufactured with the diameter 24, 30, 38 and 42 inches. The lines are fully automated and have the capacity more than 300 discs per hour. The process of disc manufacturing consists of cutting into the blanks and stamping in 4 operations. On the assembling welding lines, the disc is welded onto the rim by the automatic carbonic acid welding or argon gas mixture welding. Finished passenger car and truck wheels, including the wheels with 15-degree drop center rim, and also wheels for agricultural machinery with a rim width up to 20 inches wide, are transported to the powder coating department. By efforts of factory specialists and foreign companies Esta, Turkey, Same, France, Mary, Austria, it was introduced and now successfully applied at the enterprise the technology of painting of wheels by polymeric powder paints in order to ensure high-quality coating. Coating of wheels by powder polymeric paint provides high mechanical strength and ensures corrosion resistance. In 2008, it was implemented the line of wheel priming by method of cathodic electrodeposition. The method of electrodeposition means the formation of coating under the action of electric current on the surface of painted article from the water-soluble paint and lacquer materials. Under the action of electrochemical process, the paint and lacquer materials precipitate on the article as compact deposition. The forming of cover comes from the next high-temperature hardening. The cover is applied to the prepared surface zinc phosphating. Wheels with a width more than 27 inches for tractors, combined harvesters and other agricultural machines are transported to a wet paint painting line by small series. To avoid damages of products while shipping to the customers at the enterprise, the modern technologies of packaging of finished products are used. The paint-coated wheels are put on a wooden pallets in few tires. High quality of products is one of the main guidelines of the enterprise. The wheels for motor vehicles are certificated by Ukrsepro, Ukrainian system of certification, and Russian system of certification GOST-R. The major factor of quality assurance of the manufactured products is the functioning as a plant of the system of management of quality in accordance with the requirements of international standard of ISO 9001 that is confirmed by Ukrsepro Certificates Ukraine and TÜV Germany. Currently, the enterprise is involved in adoption of quality management system in accordance with the requirements of standard ISO TS 16949 version 2009. The international and national awards serve as proof of significant achievements of Kremenchug Wheel Plant Joint Stock Company and as evidence of quality of its products. The products of Kremenchug Wheel Plant are well known both on domestic and international markets and are supplied to more than 20 countries of the world: Russia, Belarus, Hungary, Bulgaria, France, Denmark, Netherlands, Australia, Germany, Egypt, Poland, Pakistan and many others. The products are delivered by automobile, railway and marine transport. We do not stand still. Time requires new vehicles and new wheels, and we aim to satisfy the demands of our customers.